everybody, John Carrier here with the Putzmeister Academy here at Putzmeister America. In this series of videos, we'll be going over our new Sany product line, including some of its new features and benefits. So come with us as we take a look. All right, here we are again at the SYLD to do some boom speed settings. If we go to F6 for set, we then also go to operator settings. You input the password provided by Putzmeister. From there, you'll go to boom current, select OK. And from here, it's very important to remember that on the Sany units that your rabbit and snail speeds are set independent. So you'll have to verify which one your operator wants changed. Let's say he wants his rabbit speeds changed, in this case fast gear. It will bring up this menu. Up top you have rotation, arm 1, arm 2, arm 3, so on and so forth. You can see here we have minimum and maximum. Minimums being, of course, the activation point of the joystick, and maximums being your absolute boom speed. To scroll through the different options, you have to OK through everything. Okay, let's go through some examples of changing the boom speeds. Let's say you have an operator that is unhappy with his or her boom functions. First, you'll have to verify, of course, what boom function that is. In this case, let's say they are unhappy with boom 1. It's very important to remember that you have open and close. Open would be extending the hydraulic cylinder. Close would be retracting the hydraulic cylinder. If you get confused on to what direction the operator is wanting changed, you can always have that person operate that direction, and in real time you will get milliamps to the boom coils here. You'll get readouts here. So that'll help you verify which boom section that is. So let's say in this case, the operator says that arm 1 is too fast. The overall boom speed is too fast. You automatically know we're talking about our max speeds. If that speed is too fast, we want to lower this number. We only want to do that about 10 milliamps at a time and retest. Change it about 10 milliamps and retest until that operator is happy. How you'll do that is you'll come over here, that's 436, we'll change that to 426, we'll hit OK, and we will retest. And we will continue that process, of course, until the operator is happy with the speed. That milliamp is changed in real time, so as soon as we change that number, it is changed. It is not saved until we hit the home page. Okay, on the other end of the spectrum, let's say our operator is unhappy with the minimums of his or her joystick, meaning they feel as if they're having to go into the joystick too far before the boom operates. And let's say the complaint is with arm 2. In this case, we'll be worrying about minimums. If the operator feels they're getting into the joystick too far, we want to jump that number up about 10 milliamps at a time until the operator is happy with the joystick movement, meaning they are not going into the joystick too far. Again, so we'll go over here, we'll change that to 290. That number is changed in real time. The operator can retest. If they're not happy, we would jump that up to 300, retest, until the operator is happy. And again, that number is changed in real time, but is not saved until you hit home page. Now that number is saved into the computer. All right, thank you for following along with us while we discuss the new Sany product line. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us via the 1-800 number or the Putzmeister website. For more Putzmeister Academy content, please make sure to subscribe to the Putzmeister YouTube channel.